Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve sustainable fat loss step by step. Begin by understanding that fat loss is a journey, not a race. Your first step is to calculate your daily caloric needs to establish a moderate deficit. Aim for a gradual, sustainable loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. Focus on creating a consistent routine that you can maintain long-term, rather than seeking quick fixes. Remember, small, consistent changes lead to significant results over time. Proper nutrition is crucial for fat loss. Focus on a balanced intake of macronutrients. Ensure you consume enough protein, aiming for about 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight to preserve muscle. Opt for complex carbohydrates such as oats and whole grains for sustained energy, and include healthy fats from sources like nuts, seeds, and avocados. Avoid skipping meals to maintain your metabolism and energy levels throughout the day. Exercise plays a vital role in accelerating fat loss and improving body composition. Incorporate strength training 3 to 4 times per week to build and maintain muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism. Supplement this with 20 to 30 minutes of moderate cardio on most days. Focus on compound exercises like squats and deadlifts for maximum calorie expenditure and overall strength development. Consistency is key for seeing results. Beyond diet and exercise, lifestyle factors significantly impact your fat loss journey. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as it aids recovery and hormone regulation. Drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water daily to stay hydrated and support metabolic functions. Manage stress effectively through practices like meditation or hobbies. Remember, consistency across all these areas will lead to lasting success. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.